How to sign out your account in Sneak Rivals. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. So now we inside the game. Here on the right top, there's a settings icon. Simply tap on settings. So now we in the settings interface. Here you'll be able to find different options and can even customize it. Here on the right top, tap on game save. So basically this is the place where you can sign out your account. Here you can select the account that you want to sign out. So tap on sign out. So the account is successfully signed out. Now you can simply go back and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.